Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Got Your Six covers all types of topics, sharing any tips or thoughts that can make your life a little better. I'd like to invite you to visit my apparel store, ISW Apparel, for the latest in patriotic and veteran activewear. Just Google Etsy CG ISW Apparel. Please like and subscribe to help me grow my channel. I really do appreciate it.
So today we're going to be installing Kohler's elongated bowl seat, and it has a nightlight. It is the Rutledge model. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is remove the toilet seat. I wiped it down the area, and now we're going to have to remove it. And you're just going to have to do these screws right here. Okay, there's two. Okay, so now we're going to remove the seat. I have this bidet that I'm going to have to set it to the side here until I get the other one out. Okay. So the next thing we got to do is we're going to remove the battery pack with the light. Okay, I'm going to put it back. So you hit this button right here, it turns it on. And when you want to turn it off, when you hold it down, you see that red blinking light, it's going to turn itself off. Okay. It has this long screw that's just supposed to pop right in there, like that. So this thing, you're supposed to fold it like that and just stick it in the hole, right? And then it just pops on the other side. Now I'm going to put this, normally you just put the seat right on, and as you can see, the seat has like its own washer. It's just going to sit right on top and it's going to go right through. Again, you're supposed to remove the screw from this thing, and then you're supposed to bend it like that and stick it through the hole. And make sure on the other end that it popped open again, right? Okay. Now in my case, I'm going to be putting the bidet back on before I put the seat cover on. So as you can see, I have the bidet back, and I'll be putting the chair right on top of it and screwing it right in. All right, so we're just going to keep screwing this in here. Okay, that's nice and tight. Do the other side. Now I'm holding it on the other end just to make sure it screws tightly and doesn't swerve around. Okay, that's it. All right, so here we have it. We have the seat installed. Okay, so now we're going to try the nightlight. Push the button back here. You can see the light's lit. And if you hit it again, hold it for 1-2 seconds, you start seeing that kind of red pink light, and then it turns off. All right, so it looks like we had a successful install. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, and on to the next adventure.